What's up, guys? This is John Humes at RefurbKings.com, and we got a Samsung, what is this, S8. We're replacing the back, and the customer cracked the display, and when they cracked the display, they also, looks like they cooked the video. Something on the displays went out. I can't say it backlight because it's still lighting up. Anyway, this is John at RefurbKings.com. I'll be back in a second with a fixed phone. Peace. What's up, guys? This is John Humes with Refurb Kings. We're in Lexington, Kentucky. Replace the back on the Samsung S8 and also replace the front. I don't want to give out the customer's information. Hold on one second. There you are. Samsung S8 display replacement at RefurbKings.com. Remember, we're located in Lexington, Kentucky, across the street from Sam's Club, 1038 East New Circle Road. Remember, you break it, we fix it. Peace.